Sorry, my phone died. My phone died. So as I was saying, you want to add 23 hours and 20 minutes to your start time of 1400. Now, you don't have to do this. It can stop right here, 1400 plus, the 23 hours and 20 minutes. It can stop right here, and you can add it the way that you see fit. I wanted to show you a trick that I love to use, and you can use it or not. It does not matter to me. It does not make a difference to me. Again, I just like to use this trick. It helps me, and I'm just passing on my knowledge, okay? You don't have to do it. So what I like to do is called the 12-hour trick. Anytime that I have large numbers that I can't count on my two hands, I refer to the 12-hour trick. So in this instance, we need to absorb 23 hours and add it to 14. I can't do that with my two hands, just adding it like that and getting a quick answer. So I do the 12-hour trick. The 12-hour trick is any time of day it is, 12 hours later is the same exact time, but it's the opposite time of day. For example, if it's 1400 hours, 12 hours later is 2 o'clock in the morning, because we know that 1400 hours is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 12 hours later is 2 o'clock in the morning. If it's right now, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? Okay, it's 6:50. It is 6:50. 12 hours later, it's going to be 6:50, but it's going to be a.m. Right now it's 6:50 p.m. 12 hours later, it'll be 6:50 a.m. So that saves you time. You don't need to count on your fingers, because you already know that 12 hours later is you've already been able to count 12 hours without needing to count on your fingers, okay? So I take my 12 hours that I've already made it 2 o'clock in the morning by just knowing the 12-hour trick. I need to go ahead and subtract the 12 hours from my original amount of hours that I have to absorb. I have 11 left over. 11 is a more manageable number to count on my fingers. So if it's 2 o'clock in the morning at this point, and I still need to add my 11 hours, I can do so on my fingers. When you do that, it should come to about 1300 hours, and it will be the next day. I mean, 23 hours, as you know, is practically the next day, 24 hours later. So it is 1300 hours, which is 1 o'clock in the afternoon the following day. And then 20 minutes. So here we go here. 13:20, because we can't forget about our minutes. So the answer to this particular question, what time will it be if the start time is 1400? The answer is 13:20, which makes sense, because if it's 1420, 23 hours is less than 24, then hello, 13:20. 1 o'clock in the afternoon the very next day. Okay, so that's just my tips and tricks. You don't have to follow it and do it the same way that I did it. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm just passing on free game. Thank you.